Everyone wants to become a vlogger, and this is how you can become one. Hi, this is Mihnea. Whenever I talk to kids, teenagers, adults, people who are looking for something to do, they tell me that, oh, I want to vlog, I want to be a vlogger. And then I tell them, and why aren't you a vlogger? Oh, well, you know, and here we go, excuses, 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 and more excuses. Listen, there's a $0 entry cost on becoming a vlogger. All you need is a smartphone and internet connection. And if you're watching this, you already have internet connection, and smartphones have become so cheap these days that I'm pretty sure you can kind of afford one. If not, you can borrow your mom's smartphone or your friend's smartphone and record your first vlog on their smartphone. There's no reason for you not to start now. You don't need fancy equipment, you don't need fancy setups, you don't need a fancy microphone. You need to start, and this is where most people fail. They fail because they can't start. They fail because they won't start. They fail because they're still waiting for that right moment to start. Let me tell you, the right moment is long gone. Now vlogging is popular. You're already too late to the party. Now, get your phone, start your first vlog, speak your truth, put your introduction out there. But where is out there? As you've noticed, I didn't say how to become a YouTuber. I said how to become a vlogger, a video blogger, which means that YouTube is not the only platform where you can put your vlog on. You can vlog on Facebook. You can edit a bit the video that you put on Facebook, make it shorter, and put it on Instagram. You can add it on Twitter. These are like 3 basic platforms where you can upload your video vlogs. And I'm pretty sure in the very near future there'll be more, but these are the 3 major ones. So what stops you? Nothing. What stops you? I am stopping you right now. Stop watching this, take out your phone, record your first vlog. This is Mihnea. See you. And if you stayed until now, record your vlog, leave the link in the comment section, and I'll leave a comment on your first vlog. Salut once again. Ciao, Mihnea.